Welcome to my channel Bird Nest and Garden. Today I am going to show all of you lovebirds breeding progress and how to take care of lovebirds chicks. Taking care of lovebird chicks involves several crucial steps to ensure their health and well-being. Here's a detailed guide. Nest and cage setup. Use a suitable nest box made of wood or metal, with an entrance hole and removable top for easy access. Line the box with soft, clean nesting material like untreated paper or nesting fibers. Maintain a stable environment. Keep the ambient temperature between 80 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 to 29 degrees Celsius, during the first few weeks. Use a heat lamp if necessary, but avoid direct heat sources. Ensure the environment is free from drafts, as chicks are sensitive to temperature fluctuations. Feeding. Lovebird chicks are initially fed by their parents. If hand-rearing, use a commercial hand-feeding formula specifically designed for birds. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing the formula and feeding frequency. Feeding technique. Use a syringe with a small, soft feeding tip or a spoon with smooth edges. Warm the formula to approximately 105 degrees Fahrenheit 40 degrees Celsius before feeding. Feed the chicks every 2 to 3 hours during the day, and less frequently at night. Feeding amount. Adjust the quantity based on the chick's age, size, and appetite. Consult a vet or experienced breeder for precise guidelines. Hygiene. Clean the nest box regularly to prevent the buildup of droppings and bacteria. Replace soiled bedding promptly. After feeding, gently wipe the chicks with a clean, damp cloth to keep them tidy. Monitoring. Observe the chicks closely for signs of distress, illness, or abnormal behavior. Pay attention to their posture, activity level, and droppings. Weaning. Around 5 to 6 weeks of age, begin introducing solid foods such as softened seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Offer them in a shallow dish or a clean surface. Socialization. If possible, allow the chicks to interact with their parents. This promotes social development and learning of essential bird behaviors. Provide mental stimulation. Offer a variety of safe toys, perches, and branches for exploration and exercise. Rotate these items to prevent boredom. Vet checkups. Schedule regular appointments with an avian vet for checkups, especially during the first few weeks. This helps catch and address any health issues early. Prepare for fledging. As the chicks grow, they will become more active and start to explore outside the nest. Ensure the cage is safe and secure to prevent accidents. Prepare for independence. Provide a spacious cage with different levels, perches, and toys as the chicks grow. This encourages exercise and development of coordination. Gradual separation. Allow the chicks to become gradually more independent, but monitor them closely to ensure they are thriving on their own. Always consult a qualified avian vet or an experienced breeder for specific advice, especially if you encounter any challenges or health concerns while caring for lovebird chicks. Their expertise can be invaluable in ensuring that chicks grow into healthy, happy adult birds. If you like this channel videos, then subscribes my channel for next videos.